What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ro back again, quarantine edition. I got a special treat for y'all today. I don't know about y'all, but I know I have been watching The Last Dance, which is a documentary on Michael Jordan's last year with the Chicago Bulls and 6th championship. And I'm a huge Michael Jordan fan. You know, nobody comes, first to him. So what I got in this box is actually something really special. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Jordan 10 football cleats. Now, when I first seen these online, I went crazy. I was like, I gotta get a pair. So, MJ, football, it's the new thing. He's basically, it's a lot of schools that have went to Jordan brand as their sponsoring, as far as Michigan, Florida, even Texas. They all have Jordan brand football cleats, football gloves, all that type of stuff in that name. All right, so it's time to unbox these Jordan 10 football cleats. Let's get it. There's 2 boxes in here. Hold on. Got some. Oh, damn. Hold on. Got 2 boxes in here. Are you filming? We got something special. Oh. Got a special surprise. So the first one we're going to be opening is the Jordan 10 low top. So this is the low top and this is the mid top. Open it up, let's check it out. I'm excited because I love Jordan 10s are also one of my favorite tennis shoes as well, if not one of my favorites. Oh yeah, these crazy. This right here is a dope cleat. It reminds me so much of the actual Jordan 10 tennis shoe, which is one of my favorites. It's super lightweight, not as light as the new Vapors. What I noticed about this cleat is that the sides is really the structure of the cleat. I deal with a lot of foot injuries and ankle injuries, so when I do buy a football cleat, I want to make sure this part and these parts are really durable. You might find a lot of cleats. I'm not really a huge fan of Adidas cleats because they're more like track spikes. They're not as durable. But this feels like a really durable cleat. It's like I said, it's super lightweight, and I just really like the way they made this cleat. It's really, you can tell it's not cheaply made, and it feels just like a Jordan 10. So I really like this one. So now, got this the low top. It's time to unbox the mid top. Oh my God, these cold right here, y'all. Excuse my language. The mid top Jordan 10 football cleat. I actually got these in white and red because I'm planning on playing these with the team I'm with right now. But this is a dope cleat, y'all. Like, this is really a nice cleat, man. Like, I think this would probably be a great cleat for running backs. If you're still trying to have like ankle support, a lot of ankle support and foot support. A lot of receivers like low top cleats, so I'll probably go with the low top for my receivers, DBs, running backs. This is a perfect cleat. If you want to have that drip, but you still want to make sure you got even linemen. Linemen, linebackers, quarterbacks. I feel like anybody can wear this cleat. I feel like anybody can wear this cleat, to be honest. A lot of people get, people, they want low tops, that's the swag, whoop-de-woo. But I feel like you step out on the field at any position with these on, you got that drip, and you're still able to make sure that your feet and ankles are supported when you're on the football field. And that's a big thing with me, because you can't play hurt. So when you are buying football cleats, when I buy football cleats, I make sure of 3 things: comfort, durability, and the weight of the cleat. because that's what matters the most. But like I said, man, this is a dope cleat. It reminds me of the white and red tens, just like the real tennis shoe. You know, you might even catch Lil Webby wearing these in the club. You know, he like to wear cleats and stuff in the club, so you never know. But no, this is a dope cleat though, y'all. I know dealing with this coronavirus, I probably won't be playing in a football game anytime soon, but I definitely will have these on deck, and I'm definitely gonna be doing some videos, working out and training in them, and just staying ready. But these, I got these on Nike.com. They were only like $110, I believe, something like that. So they're not crazy expensive or anything like that. So another thing about the Jordan cleats, I don't know if a lot of people don't know, I've been hip on Jordan cleats for a long time. I actually had a pair of Jordan cleats when I was in high school. They were the cement 3s. And if anybody knows or is familiar with Jordan football cleats, players like Randy Moss, who else? Terrell Owens. Right now, let's see who all is it? Le'Veon Bell, Jamal Adams. A lot of other players are. Earl Thomas are sponsored by Jordan, and they are actually wearing these, the Jordan 1s and the Jordan 11 football cleats as we speak. Back in the day, you know, a lot of guys like Randy Moss, they wore them, but you got a lot of people that were complaining about the cleat being too heavy. They were heavy. They were pretty heavy cleats, especially the 3s. I mean, they were literally like walking with cement on your feet, and that's why I stopped wearing Jordan cleats. But now, Jordan has completely remastered these cleats, and I mean, they did an amazing job. This leather on this cleat, I mean, it's beautiful. Other than that, that's about it, y'all. Jordan 10 mid, Jordan 10 low. Get you a pair.